Samsung monitor. If your monitor cannot turn on, this is usually caused by the problem at the power supply of this monitor. To fix this problem, you must disassemble the case of this monitor and check the regulator IC at the power supply mainboard. Usually this problem caused by the broken of the regulator IC, and you can replace this regulator IC with the new one. The model of the regulator IC is TOP258PN. You can find this at the electronics shop. By replace this regulator IC, your Samsung monitor will working again. Thank you for watching.